Hi, so this is my day one of SIS, and today I was doing all different types of eggs. So I'm starting off with a French omelet. So I took a tablespoon of butter and just let that go all over the pan. And my mixture of eggs was 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of milk to make it fluffy. And I just poured that in. And the process for this is kind of interesting. You basically just use your spatula and mix the eggs vigorously. Um, and while moving your pan. So it took me a bit to figure out, but I still don't think I did it right. But basically, you do that same motion until you kind of see the eggs start to set, and then you reduce the heat a little bit. So it kind of cooks slowly. And the biggest thing with French omelets is you don't want them to burn and get brown. So you want to make them have that same yellow color throughout the cooking process. So now I'm just trying to take it out, and it was a little difficult. I was also just trying to show the camera me taking it out, but it wasn't really working. So basically, taking it out, you kind of have to slowly do it so it kind of folds on its own into the plate. So I'm just kind of checking it out right now. And yeah, that is how I made it. It's how it came out. So the next thing I did was a poached egg. So first I brought a pot of water to a boil and added a tablespoon of vinegar. And now I'm just stirring it and creating a vortex so that our egg can fall right into the middle of the vortex. So the vinegar in the water will help coagulate the egg whites and kind of get that shape that we want in a poached egg. And then I slowly took it out with my slotted spoon, and it came out pretty good. I'm just touching it to make sure it's not going to break, and that's how it looked like. So the next thing I made was a Spanish fried egg. So the difference between this and like a normal sunny side up is basically you put the egg into a pan with really hot oil or butter. In my case, I use both. And you crack the egg in, and you're using a spoon, and you're slowly spooning over the hot oil or hot butter onto the fried egg to cook it. And so you'll see me cracking the egg, and I'm gonna start spooning it over. And for this one, I think I did it a little wrong. I'm not totally sure. I had kept spooning over oil for so long, so I think I should have had my oil a lot hotter before. But after like 2 minutes of spooning hot oil, I take it out with a slotted spoon. And basically, the Spanish fried egg is just a lot crunchier because of the oil, it fries it more. So that's how it looked like. It really tasted good. And then the next thing I did was a soft-boiled egg, and all you do for that is you boil it for 6 minutes, and then you'll have a soft-boiled egg. So